Can you guys spot Pooh Bear? I don't know. He's disappeared in the store. Yeah, there he is. Come on, let's go. Yeah. Hi you guys, welcome back. So as you can see, I just passed the dollar spot and I have two little figurines. I already have one of the Santas, but my mom wanted one, so I picked up another one, and we are just walking through the store and I wanted to see what else I can see. Oh, these are cute. Oh look, even he's a little brown. That is so cute. There's an army one. Pooh Bear likes the army one.
Because I always like army.
You like army stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, they even have the little ones. Look at that. They are $10 though, but she is so cute. Look at her. They have the full sets. And the cat and the dog. You like that, baby?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, those are cute. Oh, I spotted this dress. Look at that. That's kind of cool. It is $26. Oh, here's a few more over here. He's holding a calendar. I like this little section. They always put out really cute stuff. Fa la 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 la. You see Santa where?
Right there.
Yeah, at the top right there. That's cool. And some cute stockings. Come on, let's walk this way. We're gonna go to the toys. Ooh.
A Halloween pillow.
Oh, these snow globes are cute. Look at the inside of that. I like the cute little pink car. $14.99. These are cute. $14.99, and they have the bigger one right here. These pretty trays. $29. And they even have the stars. Look at these unscented vase fillers, and they're really big bells. I like that a lot. I don't see a price on them. They also have the garland. What is this? Seasoned. Ooh, I might need one of these by Chrissy Teigen. I just need a new cast iron skillet, so that's not bad. And how much is it? $29.99, and that's really big. Look at that. I like that. And they even have the pot and the smaller ones right here. A mini Dutch oven with the lid. I like that. Oh, look at that. I like that color. For $49.99.
Spider-Man.
So here's Black Panther. Where's the Creeper? Who, he's the Creeper?
Yeah, and right here in TNT.
Oh, and then who else?
Catboy.
Catboy. Spider-Man. What about Minnie Mouse? And look, who is this right here?
That's Vampirina.
Vampirina. These are cute, and they're like dolls that come with a blanket. Look at Mario. That's my favorite.
Me too. I wish they had
$17.99. I know they don't have Luigi, huh? But they got a Pokeball.
Yeah.
And we have arrived where he wanted to come, which is the Nerf gun section, you guys. Pooh Bear went to the dentist today and he did an awesome job. Right, baby? So let's see what he's looking for.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no, that's too big. And he thinks he's just, look at him. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look, look, look. And what? Oh my gosh. This child loves Nerfs, but he did an awesome job today at his appointment. So I told him he can pick something out. We're gonna have to talk about this big gun now.
It's right there. See it?
I see that, but do you need a Nerf vest? What does it do? It just holds your Nerf gun? I mean your Nerf darts?
Yeah.
Well,
And I need something.
no, you already picked up 3 things. We need to talk about this. Okay, you guys, so we have agreed on this. He wanted the blue tips. I said, did you want the orange tips like the one on this picture, which we usually get, but he wants those. And then he's choosing the Delta Trooper. And yeah, so that's what he's getting today.
And you have to show them this.
Otherbots drool. I rule.
You like that?
Uh-huh.
Don't just stand there. Pick me up.
What? That's just a paper robot. That's crazy.
What's up?
But why do I want this shirt? But I don't want 15. I don't know about that. I want this shirt. That is so cute. It's vintage. Oh, and look at this cup set. That is so cute. Look at that. Never seen that before. A watermelon smash.
Oh.
Crack it
Yeti.
till it smashes. But what goes inside of it?
Yeti in my spaghetti.
Yeti in your spaghetti. It says pressing watermelon on your head. I guess you put juice in there or something. I'm not sure. They're making crazy toys.
It's a monkey bananas.
What? Monkey butts? That's pull my finger. That's crazy. And we are at the seasonal. I just want to take a quick look at what they got back here because I haven't been back here since they put it up. Furry ornaments. Oh, that's cute. Here's some fuzzy ornaments with different letters for $3. Different ones. It's a letter T. The gold flakes on it. Oh, she's cute. The little gold beads. Oh, that's not bad. All of these ornaments are, they're individual, but they are $1. Those are pretty. It's not working?
Mm-mm.
What does he do? Oh, another nutcracker? He looks like Houdini. Oh, I like that. Look at that. It looks like a mirror star, but it says LED. And it lights up like that. That's pretty. $35. They have some pretty stars. Look at this one. $25. Oh, a pretty angel. I like those campers. Come here, baby.
You just passed the tree.
look at this. Some lips. I like that. And this mermaid. A banana.
I like vanilla. I like bananas.
These are cute, Anna. You like that one? Don't get so close.
And let me show somebody this. Somebody.
You like those? The Transformers? And was that a Hot Wheels ornament?
That's a Hot Wheel. It doesn't even break. Hulk smash!
What's that one?
Hulk.
The Hulk? I like him. His face is crazy though.
Hulk smash! Oh, Mommy! We should get one of those Santa things where it shows you which number is on Christmas.
Oh.
You know
We have one of those at home.
you know which number is on Christmas?
Mm-hmm. 25.
Yeah, 25.
But we have that at home already. A countdown thing.
Where is it?
It hasn't got put out yet, baby.
Oh, it's somewhere in the walls. Inside of the walls.
Oh, this is cute. He's taking the lights up the ladder and then it goes back down. How adorable is that? Look at this Santa. Oh, look, you guys. They put up a lot of the new Lip Smackers holiday stuff. Look at this. These are nail polishes. These make perfect stocking stuffers. You got the lip glosses in frosted cranberry, hot ho-ho cocoa. All of these. Those are 3. These are 4. 5 and 5. And then look, you even have some face mask. I've never seen that before. What is that? Tangerine or orange? Strawberry. I see watermelon. Oh, these are cute. The old-fashioned, the mask are $3. The old-fashioned little tin cans. I had so many of these. This one is cotton candy, and you got strawberry. And then here's a bath bomb set with the bath bombs and the little loofah. So bomb grape, strawberry, and cupcake. And then they have some caboodle cases. Pink grapefruit, pink lemonade, pink everything. $12. Lippy Pals. Oh, that's cute. Oh look, a lip smacker advent calendar. I don't want to open it, but that's what that is, and it's $12. That is so cute. And then you got those big sets down there for $20.
They're beautiful.
Well, that is it, you guys. We are on our way out. We just left the little seasonal section. I got my stuff. He has his Nerf guns, and that's it.
Oh,
Just a
Elf on
quick.
the Shelf.
Oh, look, Elf on the Shelf, he says. And that's it. I just wanted to bring you guys with us. I hope you enjoyed this. We will talk to you in our next video. Bye.